Hello everybody, how you doing? Yapah here, what's going on? So today is, what is today? Today's Wednesday. Forgot what day today is. My husband was home yesterday, so days are kind of thrown off a little bit, but I hope you guys are having a great day, great morning, great afternoon, great evening, wherever you are, and hope your day is blessed. So today, we're gonna continue working on this skirt so we can get it done and get it sent out. Get it sent out as quick as possible. So that's the goal. I want to get as far as I can possible with this skirt so I can just be done. So I'm gonna do the outer shell of it, with the main fabric, and then I'm gonna work on the lining. Right. Then we're gonna work on the lining. Let's see. Yes, and I said I need to reach out to, sorry, I'm already dazing off. Sorry. I was trying to process what I was doing. So, but I do need to reach out to the sis. Funny, she texted me today anyway, so that's perfect. So I can just reach out to her and probably send her a video of the different colors and things like that. So, yeah, so I'm gonna do that. And I'm gonna take the video of the colors of the fabrics first to see what she wants to do and then start working. So, yes, that's the plan. I feel like I have to sneeze. Whew. Sorry. I feel like I have to sneeze. It's not coming out. Okay, sorry. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today, and maybe I'll get to talk to you guys in between me working a little more. Because I feel like I only get to talk to you in the beginning and at the very end. I would like to do more speaking to you, like in between certain things. I just don't feel like setting up the mics, not mics, but it's only one little microphone. It's one mic. It's that. And I have to plug it into my phone. So sometimes I don't feel like doing that, and I feel like I have to, and I probably don't have to. The sound is probably okay without me having to plug it in. So that's just something I gotta figure out for myself. So, or just get over it and just use the mic at the beginning and at the end, but in between I just do without the mic. So until I'm able to get like a cordless mic to just like pin here and just have on me the whole time, and that way I can just turn video on, talk, turn it off, on, off, on, off, on, off, without having to plug stuff in. So I don't know why I didn't get a cordless one before. I don't think at the time I realized I could get one. I don't remember. I don't know why I didn't get one, but this is what I got and I'm gonna use it. But yeah, so I'm gonna get to work, y'all. I gotta get started. First I gotta get this fabric over here to take a video of it for her. And then I gotta send it to her so she can see what I got going on. Okay. Sorry, my kids are watching their TV show, their educational show right now. And if I hear there's a commercial that pops on, then I try to like hurry up and just listen out, because usually it's like the 5-second ones and then you can skip it. So I try to listen out to skip. And then sometimes I don't get it right, but lots of times I do. So, but anyway, let me do this. Hey sis, how you doing? So I'm just shooting a video because I got the fabric for the ruffle part for your skirt. However, there's the colors are different. So this is the original look, and it's very close to this one. However, this fabric is cotton, and this one is a polyester. And this one is the polyester that's very similar to this one. However, the color is off. It's not, this is like a neon, and this is like a, I believe, a sunflower color. They did not have this in the sunflower color. So I just wanted to see what it is that you wanted to do. I don't have any more of this. I don't think I have enough. If I do have enough, I'll use it, but just in case I don't, I wanted to know what it was that you wanted me to do for your skirt. So if you wanted me to use a cotton, I could, or use a polyester. Now the difference is that with the polyester, it's more flowy. It's more, you know, it's a little more flowy than cotton. Cotton is a little more stiffer, but it will still have it can still have the same effect, but it'll still have the same look, but the flow will be slightly different. So I don't know if you can tell. I don't know if you can tell from me just doing that, but the flow here is different. Just kind of wags. With this one, cotton is stiffer. It'll still do the thing, but it won't be as flowy, if that makes any sense. So I'm still going to look again to see if they have any more of this specific fabric in this color, closer to this color or this color, the sunflower color, because this is neon. Or if you actually like the look of the neon pop with the skirt, then we can just go along with that too, and it'll still have the same flowy effect. So you let me know what you want me to do. Yeah, I will talk to you very soon. This is not your skirt, this is the first sample skirt, so I'm working on your skirt. But yeah, so let me know what you want me to do, okay? All right, thank you, sis. Talk to you soon. Okay, so I recorded it. Hopefully it'll send the whole thing because it's 2 minutes long. Photos. I think it's sending, so let's see. Yay, it sent. So it delivered, so hopefully I'll hear from her super soon to see what she decides. And yeah, we'll just go from there. But I'm gonna get started on her skirt. And I'll see you guys later on, okay? All right.
So good with the Lord, living new life. How many more days can you sit back stressing, living in a lie? And I know it's a time and a place to let go. A time that you reap and a time that you sow, and a time to confess all the sins that you chose. And I know I done seen this unfold. Sin after sin, giving in. It's a long life living in. Yeah. And I know now's not the time that you're really wasting. You need to come clean, man. You need to face it. Just face it. Chance after chance you've been giving. You know you living and sinning again. Body after body, you been dropping. You feeling toxic. I see you burning within. Outside, inside. Heart so cold in the end times. See the evil intent up in your eyes, but the lie to yourself and say you alright. And I know I done heard this over before. You promised that you would do better. You never. You really focus on just a chatter forever. And I know I done seen this all again. Living your life deep in sin, never win. It's a storm, baby. It's a whirlwind, baby. It's a world. Chance after chance and you lost it. I think you cost it. Money and the fame make a...
Hey everybody, so I put the main material together, so it's looking good. I probably need to stitch that closed more. Yeah, I need to close this one up more on this side. Okay, so I know, but it's looking good so far. I'm pretty happy with it. Looks clean, looks neat. I have to iron and press it down. The pockets look good. I think that I want to make it, because I have the pockets here, and there's like 2.5 inch space here, but I don't feel like that's enough to hold anything in there well enough. But I also wanted to make sure there was enough room for the hand to go in, so I can probably go up another 1/2 inch, I would say, just to be safe. I can go up another 1/2 inch on the pocket to make sure it holds stuff in there, but so far it's looking good, and my time is looking pretty good. So I may be done with this shell, with the main part, the outer part of the skirt today. Most high willing, I hope so. So that way everything's all done, and all I have to do is work on the lining with the elastic and such forth, and add a zipper and do the ruffles at the bottom, which I don't think I got a response. Back just yet. I have to check. So yeah, everything's good. Everything's nice and sturdy. Everything's crisp. Everything's everything. Okay. So yeah, that's what I got going on, and I'm going to continue so that I can finish this and feel satisfied with what I've done today. So check in with you guys in a bit. Oh, the pocket also. I kind of wanted to do something to where it wasn't black on both sides. I kind of wanted to do something to where it was the main fabric on this part. You saw this part when you opened it, but it didn't turn out that way. So it's all right. It still looks really good. It still looks neat. Still looks clean and everything. So I'm still okay with it. I just have to see what to do for the next one, or if I'm just gonna keep it with the black on the inside. I don't know, but yeah, let me go.
And I know now's not the time that you're really wasting. You need to come clean, man, you need to face it, just face it. Chance after chance you've been giving, you know you living and sinning again. Body after body, you been dropping, you feeling toxic, I see you burning within. Outside, inside, heart so cold in the end times. See the evil intent up in your eyes, but to lie to yourself and say you alright. And I know I done heard this all before. You promised that you would do better, you never. You really focus on chasing chatter forever. And I know I done seen this all again. Living your life deep in sin, never win. It's a storm, baby, it's a whirlwind, baby, it's a world. Chance after chance and you lost it, I think you cost it. Money and the fame make a brother lawless, I know. Oh.
Hey guys. Hello. So I am at my time limit, and I've gotten pretty far with this skirt, pressed it out, everything is looking nice and neat. Let's see. Hey, the front, and then side seam with the pocket, and look how crisp that side is. What? So yeah, so I is done with it. I'm done for today, at least. Ouch. I pinned the top of the pockets. That's the last thing I did. So that way when I come back tomorrow, most high willing, I'll just sew the top of the pocket. So that way it's prepared already for the lining. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I have not heard back from her yet about the color situation. Nope, nothing yet. So I'm gonna wait to hear back from her on that, and then I can figure that out. But until then, I still got the rest of this skirt to do until she gets back to me anyway. So that's fine. I got some time. But yeah, I'm going to go. Sorry. I'm going to go, and you know, the usual routine. What is it? I guess you can put eat and drink in the same thing, but you know, put the babies down for naps and eat me something so I can take a nap. So I will see you guys in the next vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. You can continue to put whatever it is that you want to see in future vlogs in the comments. I'm moving a little bit because I have to tinkle, so I'm doing a little tinkle dance right now. But thank you guys for watching. Put what you want to see in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next one. I'm trying to see if there's anything else that I need to say, or that I thought of, or that happened. You saw me cut this out last minute, a small piece out of it to put into the pockets, to the side seam of the pockets. I kind of felt like it would have been a little too flimsy, and then the way I was pressing, you're normally supposed to press the side seams back towards the back of the garment. So, but the way the pockets are, they're going to be towards the front. So that's what I was kind of like, So I put some stabilizer on the piece in between the pocket and just the regular side seam for the rest of the skirt, just to make it a little more sturdier. And I cut a small bit there so that way it can still, the rest of the side seam can still go towards the back while the pocket is in the front. So that's that. But besides that, I think that's everything, and I'm gonna go. I'll see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Okay? All right. Bye.
Money and the fame make a brother lawless, I know.